If you're not where you want to be in your business, chances are that you are wasting time on things that are not helping you to reach your business goals. This can look like scrolling on social media every day for hours, searching for content topics repeatedly, racking your brain on ways to make money, or starting and stopping one task after the other. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 comprehensive, actionable steps to help you stop the busy work so that you can complete your daily tasks and generate money in your business. Though money should never be the ultimate goal. It should be doing what you love every day. You need to build a sustainable business, and that takes consistent actions daily. If you are staying busy with busy work and it's making you a little bit of money, but you're hustling every single day, you do not have a sustainable business, which means you're probably extremely burnt out. To build sustainability and generate an abundance of financial wealth in your business, you need a system that works. And it is not as complicated as you're making it. It's actually pretty simple. People want a solution to the problem that you solve, and you have the answer to their problem. So the first actionable step is time management. If you're a solo business owner, you have to use AI to run your business. Without automations, you will get bogged down with the simple daily tasks and not carry out a strategy to achieve your business goals. For instance, if you're spending every single day creating content to post on different platforms, that is keeping you busy with busy work, and that is never going to make you money. Instead, create a schedule where you research and script one day, and maybe you film all of your videos on another day, and hold yourself accountable with this schedule. Then maybe edit and schedule all of your content on a separate day. This will leave you with enough time to create offerings, work on client projects, build newsletter sequences, pitch businesses, and all of the other tasks that you're going to have to do to reach your business goals to build a sustainable business. So you're probably thinking time management is not the solution that you had in mind when you watched this video to make money right away. And that's true, because it takes time. There's no quick solution to making money. But before you can sell to anyone, you need to build authority and trust. People are always ready to buy, but they want to be sold to by someone that they trust who is not selling to them directly. The second actionable step I want you to take is trust building. Once you've mastered your time management, you need to create enough content that builds brand awareness and trust with your audience. So how do you reach your audience and build trust? You create and create and create tons of free, valuable content until people start asking about your products and services. If no one is asking about your products and services, you have not done a good job of action marketing. So stop focusing all of your time on what products and services will make you money and start thinking more about the audience you want to attract and the questions they have about what they want, what they're desiring. The third actionable step is generating leads, my favorite. While you are building trust with your audience, start thinking about what they want more of. And this is when you should begin thinking about a product suite and any offerings that would attract your audience that you want to build out. You can do this by identifying what content is performing best. Use your analytics to create a freebie that gives a deeper insight into what your audience wants more of, without giving it all away, of course. This is how effective action marketing generates leads through a transaction between you and your audience, you and me. By giving your audience something free and valuable, you collect their email in exchange. Some examples of freebies you might use are masterclasses, workbooks, discount codes, or any other offer that appeals to your audience. That's the key. What appeals to your audience? Once you've created your lead magnet, my fourth step is email marketing. Your lead magnet will create a transaction between you and your audience that will help you build a relationship through a series of email sequences. Sending emails to your audience builds more brand awareness around your offerings and more trust because you are giving them free things like digital products and valuable content, and essentially anything that you can plug into an email that provides them value. Once you've built an email list, you can create an automated sequence to continually nurture your audience by giving them free value with any offers that you have that upsell to paid products and services. Depending upon your business model, there are different actionable steps that you can use and implement into your business today to carry out an effective strategy to build sustainability. As an entrepreneur, you want financial freedom. You want independence. So utilize these actionable steps in your business and create habits today that you stick to. Commit to this for 30 days and you will build a routine to reach measurable goals. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like these tips, please help me by subscribing to my channel or liking this video. I will see you on the next one.